Hey everyone, we wanted to have a little dresser here for our camper. So we went to IKEA, we bought this little dresser, I assembled the dresser, I took the little folding chair that was here off, and the tie downs were a little bit too high for the dresser to sit flat. So I got some little legs that we made. I put some double stick tape down. This is like a PVC plastic, and we're going to put them right there like that. Boom. And then this little dresser is going to fit right there. And to secure it, I bought some aluminum straps or a piece of bar, and I'm going to put a piece of aluminum right across here. So, and then I'll bolt that to it. So that's my next step, is I'm going to cut my bar to fit that. And
the bar is right over here.
Yeah, I got to shorten it. It's going to go right there. I'll drill a couple holes, and I'll mount this to the wall. And I got some special bolts to come through here that are very flat. So we'll get that going. So let me get this cut and we'll finish on from there. So hold on. Okay. All right, so I put a couple little felt pads on the front because the cabinet was kind of leaning away from the wall. So that'll make it lean up into the wall. So I just put those little felt pads on it. So next I got to mark where the holes got to be. So hang on. All right, so there's my little cross section I'm putting on there. I got the holes drilled for it, and my next step is I'm going to put the dresser up in front of it and figure out where I'm going to drill these holes. And I got some special bolts that will come back from the back, and I'll just bolt that to the dresser. So there it is, it's coming along. Okay, so I got my holes marked where I'm going to drill, and I got these bolts like this. They have a really flat head, so when they come on, when they're mounted, they'll be pretty flush. They won't be fairly flush. They're not going to be pushing into the wall like a bolt head or something. So that's what I'm going to use to bolt them with. So I'm going to go drill these holes next. Okay, well there it is. 3 little drawers attached to the strap. I got a strap across it there, and I strapped it to the back. And they got they won't come all the way out. They're not really on rollers, they're just on slides. So I don't think they're going to be bouncing around too much. Sorry for the mess. It's one hell of a mess in here. But that's the dresser I got. It's a Go Dishes, or a God is Huis, or whatever. It's a Kia. But there's how I put the cabinet together, and you put little stickers on it. You know, they come with some different stickers. So we just put that on there. But there it is. It'll make a nice little end table for when Deb's sitting in her chair, because we're gonna have our e-bikes back here, but we're also gonna have like her chair, and I got a recliner behind Deb. So they'll be sitting back here, and this is gonna be like our living room.
That's an IKEA chair too.
Yeah, that's an IKEA chair too. We like IKEA. IKEA's pretty cool stuff. That's a Poang, P-O-A-N-G, and it's kind of like an iconic chair. You watch a lot of TV shows, you'll see people sitting in them. It's kind of weird, but you go, oh, there's a Poang. But anyway, there's our little dresser. Hey, it's me and Spike, and hi Spike. We have our cabinet installed, and there it is. That's how it looks. I got my recliner, and it's pretty neat. We have 3 drawers now. So when we're at a campground, I'm going to take my recliner and I'll turn it and face that away, and Deb can put her chair right here, and we have like an end table and a dresser she can store clothes in, and it just makes it feel more comfortable, more homey. We'll have our bikes in here. When we're traveling, we'll have to move stuff around to have the room for the bikes and all that. But we bought some of these tubs. We bought these at the Container Store right down here. And this is going to be where I bought 4 of them. I bought 3 white ones and 1 black one. And the black is what we're going to keep our dirty shoes in, because when you go outside, you come in, you throw your shoes in there. And, oops, they didn't stick too good. That's what I was afraid of. I got to double stick them on a little bit better, but I put some magnets on there, and the magnet stuck better to the thing, but I'll have to redo that with some better tape. I just used some cheap tape, but that's how that'll work. And I got 3 white ones. We'll put our pantry stuff in or whatever, just odds and ends, because there's not much storage. There's all this up here storage, but just some down low storage. But there it is. That's our new little dresser. If you got any questions, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.